All right, guys, we're in a 2016 Jeep Wrangler 3.6 liter engine. We're going over how to reset this oil maintenance light. First thing you're going to want to do, get the key in the ignition and then turn it to the on position. So 2 clicks, 1, 2. The chimes will start, lights will come on, and your message will display right here. I've got a tire pressure issue, so that message is what's coming up. But all you're going to need to do is use the gas pedal. So if you can see down here, you're just going to press the gas pedal and hold. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark, but you're just going to press and hold 3 times within 5 to 10 seconds. So down, hold, up, down, hold, up, down, hold, up. And the way you can do this to check is you're going to be using these buttons to scroll through. So you're going to press the menu button, which is right here, until you get to vehicle settings or vehicle info. And then you're going to press this down arrow as it says, and you're just going to keep scrolling until you get to oil life, and it should say 100%. If not, try it again, and if it still doesn't work, comment down below. Maybe I can help you out. Maybe you did something wrong, or maybe your Jeep for some reason has a different procedure. Hope this helped. I got a whole playlist of different videos for makes, models, manufacturers, all of it. Hope it helps. Check it out. Have a good one.